Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you seeing the message marketplace isn't available to you on Facebook? Don't worry, this usually happens due to account, region or policy related reasons, and many cases can be fixed. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix marketplace isn't available to you on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why this error appears? So the message usually appears because you are under 18, marketplace isn't supported in your region, your account violated policies, suspicious activity was detected, or your account is too new. Okay, so first identify the reason. So go to your Facebook profile, confirm your date of birth, must be 18 or older. Age must match your legal identity. Okay, so if incorrect, update it carefully. Check account status. So open Facebook, tap the three lines here, go to settings and privacy, tap settings, and go to account status or active status. Okay, and then look for marketplace restrictions, review any violations, and restrictions may be temporary. Okay, open the restriction notice, tap request to review, submit appeal calmly, provide explanations, and not all restrictions allow appeal. Okay, you can also go to App Store or Google Play, search Facebook, tap updates, restart the app, log out and back in, because outdated apps may hide marketplace. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.